2017 Smart Fortwo Review. The teeny Smart Fortwo can make commuting and parking in a crowded city look easy. However, its back off the pack and compromises in practicality make it tough to recommend. New for 2017. New convertible model. Pros and cons. Maneuverable, easy to park. Good fuel economy. Weak engine. Small cargo space. Only seats 2. Low predicted reliability score. The 2017 Smart Fortwo offers decent performance for its intended purpose as a city car. Though the engine doesn't provide much power, the car has a nimble suspension and a small turning radius, which makes it easy to maneuver. The 2017 Fortwo is equipped with a 0.9-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that produces 89 horsepower. A 5-speed manual transmission is standard, and a 6-speed automatic is optional. According to the EPA, the Fortwo gets up to 33 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway, which is good for the class. The Fortwo has just enough power for city driving but can feel underpowered on the highway or when in need of quick acceleration. The handling capabilities of the Fortwo are enjoyable, specifically its tight turning and quick response. Its small turning radius lends itself to fitting in otherwise unusable parking spots. The suspension also feels stable, with little body lean. A standard crosswind assist feature helps stabilize the Fortwo when moving at highway speeds. The interior of the 2017 Smart Fortwo features a sharp design and mid-range materials. Seating room is ample for 2, although cargo space is very limited. The 2017 Fortwo seats 2 on standard cloth seats. The passenger seat can also fold flat for additional cargo space. Available upgrades include heated leather seats and a height-adjustable driver's seat. Passenger space in the Fortwo is surprisingly ample given the car's small size, with plenty of legroom and headroom. However, the seats aren't very supportive for longer trips behind the wheel. Standard features include automatic climate control, cruise control, power windows and doors, an AM/FM radio, Bluetooth, and crosswind assist. Optional features include a premium JBL audio system, a lowered suspension, forward collision warning, rain-sensing wipers, and a smartphone mounting cradle that allows you to charge your phone and control audio functions and navigation with a smart app. You can easily integrate your smartphone to the car's infotainment system and use it to control audio functions, but Smart's navigation system leaves something to be desired. Additionally, removing the top is complicated for those who haven't done it many times. The Mazda CX-5 has 30.9 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats up and 59.6 cubic feet with them folded. Those aren't bad totals, but they're not impressive compared to what some competitors provide. A power liftgate is optional.